Paring Hype, ano ba ang pinaka-best choices as your first Rolex na under 400,000 pesos only? What's up guys? Another watch, another day. And dito tayo behind the desk and we will be discussing, napakaganda kasi ng tanong nito ni Sir. He's asking us, ano daw yung 400k and below na top choices as your first Rolex? Okay, so we have here 5 choices that I'm gonna be discussing with you guys together with their prices. Okay? Sige. First choice I would suggest is something like this. So this is a Datejust 16200. Features an oyster bracelet siya and a smooth bezel, white dial, stick siya. So, ito guys, napaka-classy and napaka-simple niya. This actually, you can get something like this for as low as 300,000 pesos. So, ito, mga new vintage ito, roughly, nasa 1990s all the way up to early 2000s. On the wrist, so 36mm ito guys, napakaganda. For me, it's a classic fit, a classic watch. Anything you can wear with it, and nasa 300k lang guys. So it's a good choice. Top 5 natin. Top 4 naman natin is also something like yung previous but a little different. So here, the top 4 natin is the 16234. Features a Jubilee bracelet naman and a fluted bezel. Fluted bezel means it's white gold. Okay? So this, same thing, new vintage siya. 1990s all the way to early 2000s siya. 36mm din siya, and these go around 300 to 350,000 pesos. Ayan, napakaganda guys, very classy din siya. Mas elegant lang siya ng konti compared dun sa kaninang oyster na hindi fluted yung bezel. But regardless, napakaganda niya. And this is a perfect first watch for people who wants to own a Rolex for the first time. Top 3 natin is also a Datejust, but this is the most popular Datejust ng mga gustong kumuha ng first Rolexes nila. This is a reference 16233, which features a two-tone yellow gold siya. Fluted din yung bezel, sapphire crystal din siya, and two-tone yung Jubilee niya. Okay, so this one is around 350 up to 400,000 depending sa condition and inclusions. So, apakaganda niya guys kasi mas elegant siya and unisex din ito guys. Lahat naman ng 36mm unisex, pero mas popular choice ito ng mga ladies din na gusto magkaroon ng Rolex for the first time. Also for men, pwede rin ito kung maginto ka, ikaw bahala. Pero I would suggest if you're a man, you go for the, steel lang. Ayan siya guys. Again, 350 to 400,000 pesos. Not bad as a first Rolex. Top 4 naman natin is the Explorer 2. Reference 16570. Ito siya guys, the Polar. Meron ding black nito. So you can choose between black or the Polar. This is roughly around 380 all the way to 420. But since 380 siya nagsa-start, it's still under 400. So I would really suggest this. This is a 40mm. So medyo manly na talaga siya. And very comfortable. Okay? Very comfortable siyang suotin. Ayan siya guys, on my wrist. Napakaganda. 40mm. It features na a GMT complication, so it can track dual time zone around the world. So, ayun dyan, yung red arrow niya features the GMT complication or the movement. And, of course, 24-hour bezel for the GMT. And yung 12-hour natin na indices is for the local time. Okay? So, napakaganda niya guys. It features also a date. So, marami ng complication for something like 380 all the way to 420. Napakaganda na. So, you can get a second hand with a very decent condition for around 380 to 400,000. Ganda. So, this is our top 2 naman choice as your first Rolex na under 400,000 pesos. Okay? Next, which is our top 1, is nothing other than, of course, Submariner. Okay, so here we have a reference 14060. It's a no date na Submariner, which I love, guys. Alam nyo naman, mas gusto ko yung no date. Kasi guys, so tingnan nyo naman, sobrang simple lang niya. Okay, and this goes around 400,000 more or less. But marami rin kaming units na almost, parang nakabenta kami last time, 399 lang. So, still, below 400, and you get the most classic watch of all time. Most classic luxury watch of all time. is the Submariner, and it's the most sold luxury watch of all time then. Okay? So here it features a diver complication siya which has the bezel lang na unidirectional for people who likes to dive. Okay? And it's a 40mm pa, guys. Steel lang siya. Very nice, very elegant. Perfect for people who wants to enjoy Rolexes for the first time. Ayan. Sobrang simple niya, guys. You can wear it with something like formal, casual wear, sportswear, active wear, anything, guys. Pasok ang Submariner. So, what do you think? 5 choices? What's your pick? Comment down below. See you soon.